Happy Friday, and welcome back to Sifx Daily Financial News. We're closing out the week with top market trends, essential insights, and all the analysis you need to finish the week strong. Be sure to subscribe and check out cfx.com for more resources and expert takes to carry you through the weekend. And in stock market news, Wall Street saw a pullback as investors processed key economic data ahead of the Federal Reserve's meeting next week. The Dow dropped 234 points, the S&P 500 fell 32 points, and the Nasdaq lost 132 points after touching record highs earlier this week. Mega-cap stocks were mixed. Nvidia slid 1.4%, while Microsoft ticked up 0.1%. Adobe took a steep 13.7% dive after revenue forecasts missed expectations, dragging tech stocks down. Meanwhile, Warner Bros. Discovery soared 15.4%, thanks to a big announcement about restructuring its cable TV business. In Forex news, the US dollar surged to a 2.5-week high, marking its best week in a month. This comes amid bets on a Federal Reserve rate cut next week, followed by a cautious approach to further reductions. The dollar index climbed to 107.15, up over 1.1% for the week. Against the yen, it gained 0.3%, reaching its highest level since late November. Meanwhile, the euro slid to $1.0457 as the European Central Bank cut rates by 25 basis points. Turning to Asia, shares fell as the strong dollar weighed on market sentiment. Japan's Nikkei dropped 1%, though it's still up nearly 1% for the week. In China, blue chips and property stocks saw declines following a top-level meeting in Beijing that fell short of announcing new stimulus measures. In cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is holding steady around $99,970 after hitting an all-time high of $103,649 last week. Investors are watching closely as regulatory updates and market dynamics shape the crypto landscape heading into 2025. And finally, in commodities, oil prices edged higher this week, with Brent crude at $73.48 per barrel and WTI at $70.11. Concerns over new sanctions on Russian and Iranian oil supported prices. Meanwhile, gold climbed 2% this week, settling at $2,690 per ounce as traders anticipate a Federal Reserve rate cut. The low-rate environment has kept precious metals in demand, with platinum and palladium also posting weekly gains. And that wraps up another week here at Sifx Daily Financial News. If you found today's content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay connected. Have an amazing weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday.